Did you anytime notice a dead body? It is kind of eerie, isn't it? Why is it so? Why is a dead body very much different from a sleeping body? What is meant by life energy that leaves when somebody dies? If all these questions arises in your mind, then watch the video till the end. The vital life energy, for which we are alive, is called Prana, in Sanskrit terms. According to the yogic system, this Prana is divided into 5 basic dimensions. And it is very important to understand these dimensions if we want to know about the life energy that leaves the body at the time of death. The first one is the Samat Prana, or the Samana Vayu. If you visit certain parts of the Himalayas, you will get to see some sadhu living there in extreme cold. They wear only some thin garments, and some are only in a loincloth. Also, these sadhu walk around barefoot in those sub-zero temperate areas. They may appear superhuman to us, but if you know the ancient science of Vedas, it will be just a child's play. The science is that they have activated their Samana Vayu and created a shield around them. But what is this Samana Vayu? It is the energy in our body that helps in regulating the body temperature. In basic terms, it is homeostasis, but in advanced level. This energy is also responsible for the process of digestion. So, yogis with high levels of Samat Prana digests their food fast to generate heat in the body. This prana is also associated with the sun, as the heavenly body is the only source of heat for the planet. The second one is the Prana Vayu. This life energy is associated with our thought process and respiration. Our breath patterns changes according to the situations we are in. Did you notice, whenever you are tensed or angry, then your number of breaths increases. On the other hand, while listening to music, it soothes down. This is because the external situation decides our thought process, which in turn decides our respiration rates. All these are due to the Prana Vayu, which handles both our thoughts and respiration. The Prana Vayu is also related with the planet Earth, as it is the only planet in the solar system having a breathable atmosphere. The third one is the Udana Vayu. The word Udana means to fly. Accordingly, the Udana Vayu is the energy that carries out weight or creates buoyancy, making us less available to the gravity. You may weigh 80 kilograms, the weighing scale, but you somehow can't feel the weight. This is because of the magic of Udana Vayu. The dead body is so heavy just because this prana has left the body. You must have seen people leviating in many TV shows, though most are optical illusions. Few are yogis who have gained mastery over the Udana Vayu. Also, there are many ballet dancers, footballers, and martial experts who by their leaps to incredible heights has disproved modern physics. The Udana Vayu is also responsible for the ability to communicate. If our this prana is active, the ability to communicate will come naturally to us. The next one is the Apana Prana. This life energy is in charge of the excretion system and the sensory functions. It is written in the ancient texts that only when our impurities are cleaned till cellular level, we have the necessary sensory perception. If the excretion process doesn't work properly, the body also becomes lethargic, and other kinds of dullness also settle in the system. And the fifth, also last one is the Vyana Vayu. This prana works to knit the billions of cells into a single being. In other words, it helps to keep our body cells together and organized. If a person gained control over this energy, he can retain his youth for longer period. This is how certain monks stops their aging process. Also, it is very common among Tibetan monks to use this energy to preserve their body for months after death.